My first question is strong growth and rapid gains in house prices across the UK. Are you concerned that the UK economy is overheating?
Well, I wouldn't quite go that far. It's not overheating as a whole. There are pockets of excess, if you like, most obviously the housing market and perhaps in some areas of the labour market. But I think really the point is that if you project where we are now forward a couple of years, it may be at that point. So the question is, monetary policy should be looking forward. Is it the right time, or will it soon be the right time to adjust it?
Do you think the Financial Policy Committee could take action to get house prices down slightly? And what tools do they have?
Well, they could take some action. I mean, most obviously they could take some measures in terms of the affordability ratios that the lenders are utilising. But I think the point on the strength of the economy goes broader than housing, though. That if it was just the housing market that was strong, then obviously macroprudential tools on their own would make some sense. But actually, it's across the piece. It's strength across the economy and including in the labour market. So in that regard, really you should also be looking at perhaps a bank rate hike in due course. Maybe not tomorrow, but fairly soon.
When could we see the hike then? Because at the same time, wages are picking up, the outlook is improving, we're getting stronger data. How much longer?
Well, I think wages are the missing piece of the puzzle, really. I mean, there are some signs of a pickup, but not a great deal. If that was to change, then the rates outlook would be quite vulnerable to a shock. As of now, our central case is the MPC will hold rates until the first quarter of next year and then hike. But the outlook is vulnerable to a move earlier than that if inflation picked up, or more obviously, wages did so.
But a few economists have said that we don't need these record low interest rates anymore, and QE, presumably. Do you agree with that position?
Well, I think there is a debate as to I think what we still need is accommodative policy in a historical sense, but really the debate is, do we need it quite as accommodative as now? And are you risking, by not taking risks on growth, are you taking risks on inflation or financial stability down the track? And I think that calibration is shifting towards a tightening in policy gradually, and we'll see that in the minutes over the next couple of meetings played out, I think.